Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, can't type in Windows 10 search bar. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Status. Click Windows Explorer. Click Restart. Second method is right-click Run. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.